Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. I hope you slept well. I hope you are doing good. So it's Sunday morning and we are set for church. It's so beautiful this morning. The weather is a bit chill, but it's warm at the same time. It's getting warmer day by day. But I love this morning's weather. It's so chill and beautiful, right, Mama? Yeah. Woo. Look at my princess. My princess. Those are my boys over there.
And my girl.
And your girl.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Where is Joshua? Village headmaster. Our village headmaster. How are you?
I'm fine. And Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's coming. Joshua forgot his eyeglass upstairs, so Hubby went to get it for him. Actually, he's coming right now. Favour, what did you just say now?
Family of glass.
How dare you? She said family of glass. Oh, yeah, go and enter. Oh, Hanchan. Favour. She said family of glass. Oh, yeah, go and enter. Go and enter. Mama, go and enter. Look at Blessing. Just see now. Eh? The belt is loose again. Are you the one that loosed it or what? Because I know I tied it very well.
Happy. No. This one is. No. Look, this one is the one that you eat on the
Did I mention earlier, guys, that today is our Pentecost Sunday and we are having a subjoint today, which means that some other parishes will be joining us in Padova today. So let's go and receive God's blessings because I know it's going to be awesome as always. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye for now. It's enough now. Basta, 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 basta. Basta now.
Não mete, tchau, você basta.
Basta, basta,
Basta. Oh my God. Oh my God. Blessing, is it funny? Yes, it's funny to you. Okay, I thought she was laughing at me.
But this one is Toyota.
No, it's not. Hey, God. Whenever you apply the ice block, I will just lose it. But with this rub now, it's getting better. On Sunday I couldn't walk. Honestly. Yeah, that place is still paining me. Yeah. Mamma mia. Thank you, my masseuse. Good afternoon, guys. So I want to make should I say lunch? Yeah, it's lunch at this time for myself. So let's make it together, okay? So this is burger bread, by the way, as you can see, and I'm going to add my lettuce to that. That's Blessing singing in the living room. Yeah, this is fried chicken breast. And this is sriracha sauce, sriracha sauce. Up till now, I haven't gotten the correct pronunciation of this thing. It's a hot chili sauce, but not too hot though. And finally, my fresh tomatoes. By the way, the green ones are cucumbers. So I'm just going to add my fresh tomato and then cover it up, and that's it. This thing is so tall. Guys, please ignore my look. I look so dull and I don't even know what I look like. So good. I've been in bed since morning. Although I wasn't sleeping, I was just there. Hubby is doing night shift this week, so he's currently sleeping. He has been taking care of my leg. I broke my leg on Sunday. Not really break, but I was going down the stairs and then what I heard was wham! I was so scared. I shouted. I was like, what? So I managed to come back home. It happened in church after we had dismissed for service, and then I was going down the stairs, and that was when that happened. So I managed to come back home. To climb our stairs here oh my goodness, it was so horrible, but I managed to pull through to come upstairs here, and then the thing started swelling up. But thank God for my husband, honestly. If not, I would probably not have known what to do about it. He's been the one taking care of my leg, and I'm getting better. That's why I'm even vlogging. And I actually feel better today anyways, so all glory be to God. Let me just go and sit down and enjoy this thing. It tastes so good. I can't stand here and be doing it. I'm still limping though, but it's better than Sunday and Monday. Today is Tuesday, by the way, so it's better today. At least I can walk without holding something. But Sunday, even if I hold something, I'll still, like, I will take minutes before I could take the next step. So I feel better today. Let me go and sit down and enjoy my burger, my homemade McDonald's burger.
Mama, let's go. When we go out there, you can enter, okay?
But today we are not going anymore.
I'm struggling with this thing. I opened the gate.
It's
Come on.
let's go.
Guys, I just picked Caleb now. That's Caleb. Bobo, say hi. Hi.
Hi.
That's his school bus over there. He's still looking at it. This is what he usually does. Anytime the bus drops him, he just stand and be looking at the bus until he can no longer see it.
Mommy,
So,
I brought this thing.
you did that?
Yes, it's for driving.
Wow.
It's for
Bravo.
doing house.
Guys, I'm going to pick Joshua and Favour from school. I'm not feeling too good. I was even saying it upstairs, but what just happened now, like, it has doubled the not feeling so good, because I was upstairs telling you guys what has been going on, how I feel. I was even taking tachyprina, which is more like paracetamol or Panadol, as some people may call it. So I was taking the medicine, you know, to kind of help me with how I'm feeling right now.
Mom, this is milk.
I talked for over 5 minutes upstairs, for over 5 minutes, and
Yes, don't.
I just managed to listen to what I like. This is what I usually do after recording. I just replay it just to be sure that everything is okay before I carry on. So I replayed the video and found out that the audio wasn't on. Like, in that video you could tell that the mic, because I was using that my mic, you could tell that it was on, but the adapter, the receiver rather, I don't know if they call it receiver, the one you fix to your phone, then connect it with the one you pin to your body. I didn't fix it well, like it didn't click, and I was just talking. Like, I feel so bad now. I feel really bad. Maybe I'll do voiceover, because to repeat all that I've just said, no, I don't even remember all I've said, but it's so annoying. Caleb, are you pushing? Come and push her, please. I don't even have the strength. See you guys later. Bye.
Subscribing the button.
Blessing said subscribing the button. She even said it upstairs. I was showing you Blessing where she was telling you guys to subscribe, but everything, no audio. Daddy, let's go, please. Bye, guys.